What's up guys, my name is Technumber here for Troubleshoot, and yesterday I showed you how you can go ahead and initiate a refund request on Steam to get a refund for a game that you purchased. Today I'm going to go through cancelling a refund request, assuming that you created one on accident or you simply changed your mind. So I'll go ahead and start by purchasing a really cheap game. On the front page over here we have Alan Wake for 10 Rand, which is just under probably half a dollar. So I'll add to my cart and I'll purchase for myself. Then I'll agree, purchase, and I've bought it using Steam wallet funds, though of course this will work with any payment method. Then I can choose to install it, and it's here in my library. Though before installing it, I'll simply go across to the library page and make sure that I have it, and as you can see, it's over here. So if I go across to the help followed by Steam support page, and we initiate a refund request for it as such, then you can see that I'll get a refund to my wallet, and the refund will remove the following products from my Steam library. So I'll choose a reason, I purchased this by accident, and click Submit Request. Then once they've received this, it'll take a short while for them to respond and give you your money back. If I view my purchase history over here, you can see that I bought Alan Wake, and the money has been taken out of my account, leaving me with 40 Rand. Though, once I get a refund, it'll show up on the list over here as plus 10, and I'll have 50 Rand. So what exactly do we need to do to cancel this refund? Well, all we need to do is go ahead and go to Help, followed by Steam Support. Then we see this page over here. We need to scroll down, view my Steam Support requests, and we can see the Open Refund over here. Then I'll click on it, and we'll see this over here. And you can see it has been submitted to Steam Support. All we need to do is simply look for this text over here. You have a pending refund for this product, and click Cancel Refund Request. Then we can click Cancel Refund Request, and it'll be cancelled as such, and our game will remain in our library. If you decide to change your mind later on, you can go ahead and create another refund request, though I'd highly recommend that you don't go ahead and abuse the system. This is one of the first few times that I've ever done this, and I probably won't be doing it again until I make a legitimate mistake. Either way, heading back to my library, here's the game still, and the game is still here. Now, as long as the refund request hasn't been processed at the time of you wanting to cancel it, then most likely you can go ahead and cancel your request, you'll keep the game, and you won't be offered a refund for it at that time. Of course, you can go ahead and create another refund request, though I'd highly recommend not abusing the system. Either ways, that's about it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technumber here for Troubleshoot. Hopefully this short little video helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!